How to lock apps on your iPad with Face ID. You do this when you want to restrict access to an app to be only for you, but you don't want to hide the app from your device. I'll tell you how to hide an app in just a minute. First, let's lock them with Face ID. Tap and hold on any app. Let's do it on the Zoom Notes Lite. I'm going to tap on it right now. You can see it opens just fine, and I can go in and work on my notes, and the app works. Let's close the app now. Now let's tap and hold on Zoom Notes Lite. In the pop-up menu, tap on Require Face ID, then Require Face ID again. Do not choose the option to hide and require because that will hide the app from your app list. Tap just Require Face ID, and now it's going to require Face ID to open. So let's move my face out of the way, and now it says Face ID required, just like we requested. Try Face ID again, checks my face, and now we're into the app. Super slick. Now if you wanted to hide the app as well, tap and hold again. Tap don't require Face ID. Tap and hold again. Require Face ID and then hide and require Face ID. And now hide app. And that's going to put it into a hidden folder. So now it still requires Face ID to access that folder where it's contained, but the app is hidden from your main app list. Maybe that's what you're going for. Let's scroll all the way to the right. The hidden folder is in the app library at the very bottom. Tap on that, scans your face, and we see Zoom Lite down there as that small icon. That's how you lock apps using your Face ID or hide them as well. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which will show you how to stop your iPad from tracking your location, tracking your movements, and not listen to your conversations. Check out that video because it's super important, and I'll see you there.